First, let's log into your Retell account. You'll be greeted by the Retell dashboard, where you can manage all your agents. Assuming you have an existing agent, select it, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. This will be the basis for your multilingual agent. Think of this agent as your base of operations. Navigate to your agent settings page. Here you will find several options to customize your agent. Look for a section usually labeled languages. In the language settings, you'll find a way to add or specify languages for your agent to understand and speak. Click on the Add Language button or the corresponding option. A drop-down will appear. Select the primary language that your agent is currently set up with, often English. Now, add the additional languages you want your agent to support. This involves searching for and selecting each languages from the drop-down. For each language you choose, select it accordingly, like Spanish, French, German, etc. After selecting your desired languages, confirm the changes in the setting. Retell will start updating your agent with the selected languages. Finally, test your multilingual agent. Have a conversation with your agent in different languages to confirm everything is working correctly. This verifies that your agent effectively understands and responds in your chosen languages, and that's it. You've successfully created a multilingual agent, ready to assist a global audience. Now you can focus on helping more clients around the world.